is Don from Life's Journeys, and today we are back at fabulous Wynn Las Vegas. We're going to do a bit of a room suite tour. We're in room 3701, and check this out. As we step in, this is a Wynn Salon Suite. I think it's over 2,000 square feet, so you gotta take a look at this. This is amazing. So I've come just to the left of the entry door for powder room, which isn't one of the more exciting things to see here, but it's part of it. And then to the right of the entry door is a massage room. So you want to get an in-suite massage, it is here. You don't have to schlep down to the spa. You get a nice full massage table. I gotta tell you, the princess often uses this room to store her shopping purchases. So how about that one? So let's go into the main living room area. This is great. We got 2 sofas, coffee table, television. Over here, an awesome dining area. 2 chairs, big sort of banquette style seating. My guess, you probably seat at least 6 people. Get some whole, these shelves are really cool art pieces. Well, we're here looking out. Let's see what we can see on the view. We've got the Trump, Fashion Show Mall, Treasure Island, Mirage, Palazzo, Venetian. You can see across to the Rio and the Palm. So great view. Back here, again, the seating area. And it's looking back to the main front entrance. And a fantastic bar. You can just imagine hosting a group of people here. That'd be cool. You know, they certainly give plenty of glassware and everything you're going to need to host some people. And there's the minibar snack setup. These things, again, are all on sensors, and so you lift it for more than 30 seconds and you bought it. So let's see what's down underneath. I think what's nice here is there is also a refrigerator that you can use for your own stuff. And then on this side, I think, is the minibar fridge, which again is all on sensors, but can give you a good view of the things that are available in here. Beer, wine, soft drinks, different vodkas. Got some tequila, a couple cool Fiji waters, some rum, some gin. So everything you might want to have for an overpriced mini bar party. And so the last thing to focus on here is work desk area. Lots of plugs. Just trying to see if there's USB ports here. No, not that I can see so far. We do have Amazon Echo. So if you really miss talking to Alexa, you don't have to actually miss her while you're here in Las Vegas. Let's move into the bedroom and get the lights on. That helps. Nice big king bed. I'll come across to the other side, and let's see what we've got here. There's a touch controller for lights, drapes, temperature, clock, and alarm. You can also set your do not disturb and making up room. So let's open the drapes. There's a controller here and the shears. Okay, that one doesn't want to work. Oh, there they go. Here, just a little bit slow. There goes the shears. Let's see if the drapes will start to open. There we go. So it just gives a slightly different view from what we had in the living room. You can see there's also 2 sitting chairs here in the bedroom. And from here is great. You can look down at the Lake of Dreams. You can see the little waterfall kind of thing that's running there. And in the evenings they will do like light shows and that sort of thing against that screen and those waterfalls. So let's bring it in. We've still got to check out the bathroom. And as we come into the bathroom, we've got one closet to the right and a closet to the left. We'll open up the one on the left to take a look at what's there. We've got iron and ironing board, lots of hangers. We've got safe, spare blanket and pillow. So very well stocked and supplied. Down underneath the luggage rack, there's some slippers. Got a dresser, 4 drawers, so lots of storage space. Over to the shower, which is looking nice. You've got both overhead, handheld, every kind of water source you can want. There's a little bench in the shower as well. These towels are amazing, always really nice. Television, so you don't have to miss anything while you're in the washroom. Great amenity kit. Shaving, a couple toothbrushes, shower, polish, scope, hairspray, and if you've missed your collar tabs for your shirts, there's a set of those there as well. There's some shaving cream and other necessities, like makeup mirror, 3-way mirror. Down below, lots of towel supply again, and because the shower's not enough, also a bathtub, oval with you can see the jets available in there, so you can have jacuzzi style. Make sure it feels nice. And then we finish up with another powder room. Again, not too exciting. And we've got robes. Robe quality here is fantastic, cotton and silk. So that's beautiful. So there's our tour of a salon suite at the Wynn. Yeah, again, this has got to be one of my favorite hotel suites I've ever stayed in. Amazing place. So hopefully you enjoyed this bit of a tour. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. That would be really helpful. If you got any questions or want to talk about the suite, please feel free to leave a comment. If you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you along for the ride. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.